Hello, crafties! Welcome back to Zero Vlogs! You probably have watched the first video about gauge swatch. If not, the link is in the description box. In this video, I will show you how I estimate the stitches and the rows on desired size I'm crocheting. I have here in my journal the gauge swatch we made in the previous video and the standard sizing for women. I will be using size extra small. The swatch we made is for the front and back panel. I will use the bust size, which is 76 cm. If you have actual size, you can use it instead. I also get the armhole size, which is 16.5 cm. Divide it with 3.14 or pi and you will get 5.24 cm. Let's draw the front panel for visual representation. We will divide the bust size 76 cm to 2 is equal to 38 cm. We will deduct the armhole 5.24 cm and you will get 32.76 or approximately 33 cm. This will be the measurement of the back panel. The front panel consists of two panels, so you will divide it again into two. 33 divided by 2 is 16.5 or approximately 16 cm. Let's turn those measurements into stitches and rows. The gauge swatch is 10 by 10 cm and is equivalent to 10 stitches and 10 rows. That means that in every 1 centimeter, there is 2 stitches and 1 row. In front panel, there are 32 stitches in 16 centimeter. I just assume that the front panels are square, but if you have the actual size, you can add up rows. Assuming that it's still 16 cm and you need 16 rows to achieve the size you needed. This is the estimated stitches and rows for the two front panels. Let's draw the back panel for representation. I used the 33 cm measurement from our computation earlier and I get 66 stitches. Since we assumed that the height of the panel is 16 cm, you will have 16 rows as well. This is the estimated stitches and rows for the back panel. Now, let's get the armhole or kilikili space. I just round it off to 5 cm, which is 10 stitches. This video is just estimates of the total stitches and rows of pattern. After having this, it is the time to test the pattern. If someone wants to crochet your pattern, will also have the same result. If you have questions about gauge swatch, just let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you might want to click the subscribe and the bell notification for my upcoming videos. In my next video, I will show you how to attach the 3 panels as you crochet along. See you on my next video. Bye!